up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to finally be doing my natural hair product collection video. So I'm going to be showing you guys my products as well as my favorite products. Everything is all in one little bin that I keep in my room, and I'm not going to be showing you like my shampoo and conditioner just because it's kind of separate. I also don't really keep that many like shampoos and conditioners in my collection. I kind of keep that simple. But before I get into the products, I always want to talk about my new necklace. So I was sent this necklace from Yafeini. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but it will be down below. So I love necklaces. I usually stack my necklaces whenever I wear them, but I really feel like it today, so I just have on this one. But yeah, it's just a nameplate necklace, and I love custom jewelry. It's very, very cute. So when they reached out to me, I was all for it because I love adding new, just like simple necklaces to my collection. Their website has a ton of different fonts and whatnot to customize your necklace. They have more than just regular nameplates. They have a ton of stuff on their website, and this is the font that I went with, just kind of just more simple. One thing I really do like about the necklace is that it's like adjustable for the length of it. It's actually my first time wearing it at the shortest length, which is up here, but it can go all the way down to about here, which is really, really nice, especially again if you stack your necklaces, because sometimes if they're like the same length, it just kind of messes up the stack. So I really do like that you can kind of like customize the length of it more than just like the little bit of room that necklaces usually give you. Their necklaces and all their jewelry is also very affordable. This necklace is only like $20, which is awesome. So far the quality is very, very good, and also the shipping was very, very fast, which I wasn't expecting, but it came very, very quickly in the mail. So yeah, I do have a discount code if you would like to check out their stuff. Again, their stuff is already very, very affordable. You can use the code, which is INF20, to receive 20% off. So I think that's all about the necklace. So now I'm just going to get into my collection. So this is my bin that I keep everything in. So I'm just gonna open her up and dig right in. So the first thing on top is my Shine and Jam. So this is on top because I did my knotless box braids, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll put that down below. But I always use this for braids just because it helps to keep everything kind of slick, but it's not like too much of a hold that it's like hard to use. So I like this stuff. It's very, very affordable. Next thing on top, this is definitely a favorite of mine, and this is my Style Factor Edge Booster. The one that I have is the pineapple scent. It's the orange one, and I really love this stuff for my edges. I have 4Z edges that are very, very hard to tame, and this isn't even like a very strong hold, but I like the hold that it has. Like, it's kind of hard for me to explain. It smooths your hair really nicely. It doesn't flake, at least for me it doesn't. It is a little bit pricey. It's $18, but they do have different sizes if you want to just try it out. Next thing, I'll just try to do all my edge controls and stuff. So next one is from the main choice, and this is the Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Stubborn Edges Freezing Gel. So this one I would also put as a favorite actually. This does have a strong hold. Your edges aren't going to go anywhere with this, and it's meant for type 4 hair. It's very comparable to Gorilla Snot. Just something about Gorilla Snot just kind of like scares me, because it was originally meant for like spiking your hair, like for white people. So that just kind of worries me that it's not really meant for us. These two are probably my favorite edge controls just because they really do work for me. Next thing I do have in here, I do have some Gorilla Snot in here. I have this one and this one. Why I have two? I even have a travel size one. I don't really use this anymore just because I have the main choice one, but It is still in my collection because it does work. I have 4 more edge controls. So the first one is from Design Essentials, and it's the Sleek Edge Control. And I picked this up because back when I used to get my hair straightened like every other week when I was like in high school, this is what my beautician used on me for like my edges. So I really only use this when my hair is straightened. I don't use this any other time of the year, and my hair is only straightened about once a year, so I rarely even use this stuff. And I mean, it's okay. It's not a favorite, but it's not like bad that I would throw it away. Next one is from the Main Choice, and this is the Growth Stimulating Edge Control. I also bought this, I think, when I bought the Design Essentials one, just because I needed an edge control for when my hair is straight. They both honestly work about the same. Next one is from TGIN, and TGIN is a natural brand. So this is the Smooth and Hold Edge Control Extra Hold. Because the hold on this really is nice. It's just one of those holds that are like hold for like an hour and then just start lifting. So like I don't know, I like it, but again, if you have edges like me, it might not work the best. And the last edge control I think that's in here is from Creme of Nature, and this is their Perfect Edges, and this is the black one. So this one really works well if you kind of have like sparse edges, and I definitely have like thinning in my temple area on both sides. It's just been like that for some years, so this definitely helps with that. I haven't used this in a while, but if you do have like thinner edges or just thinner hair in general, this could definitely help you. Now I will get into my curly products. So the products that I use to do my twist outs. There's only 3 of them, and there is definitely a favorite in this one, so I'll do the favorite first. So this is from Rajeeyah, I hope I'm saying that right, Sweet Naturals, and this is the Mango Kiwi Curl Cream. This is my favorite brand overall. Again, it's Sweet Naturals, so it is all natural, everything she literally can like make in her kitchen. Yeah, this stuff is amazing. I love this stuff to curl my hair. It leaves my hair so soft, and I love it. But yeah, this is definitely a favorite if you have type 4 hair, because the girl who makes these products, she has type 4 hair, and it's just way easier to buy products from someone who has hair like you, because then you just kind of, you're more confident that's gonna work. This stuff is amazing. If you have type 4 hair, please not only get this, but just check out all of her stuff because it's amazing. And I've noticed that me switching to mainly using all natural products, my hair just loves it. Next thing is, I don't know if I said this already, but it's stuff that doesn't have any hold. The next one is from Mielle Organics, and this is the Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I've only used this once, so I don't really have an opinion too much on it quite yet. But this is also a brand that I really do like. I haven't really used it too much to really form an opinion on it, mainly because I always am going to pick up this one. But I'm going to start using some of these products that are more so like at the bottom of this little bucket. And then the last one is something I don't even use, but I haven't opened it, so I thought it would be wasteful to throw it away. But it's from Cantu. I don't even use Cantu anymore because I don't see a reason to purchase Cantu. It just doesn't really work with my hair. So I'm not even going to mention this, but this is just the coconut curling cream. I used to use this back in the day, back when I was first starting out wearing my twist outs and whatnot. I did use Cantu, but I don't use it anymore, so I'll put this back in there. Now I'll go ahead and get into the curly products that do have hold. So I've mentioned this time and time again, I do not like products with hold in them at all, because no matter how much I use, I always get flaking. And the only reason I kind of kept these are because I had really good results. It's just they were really flaky. So the first thing is from the Main Choice, and it's the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Moisturizing Styling Cream. So I have a whole video of me using a lot of these products from this line, so you can just check that out to see how that turned out. My hair turned out really, really cute. I just had some flaking on there. Next one is from TGIN, and it's the Twist and Define Cream. This is another one. I didn't throw it away just because I've only used it once and it felt wasteful. This is also, again, a brand that I like, but because of the definition or the hold that's in it, it just doesn't work for me. And I don't even remember what happened when I did use it, but I definitely did get flaking. And then the last product that is on top that I actually like this product, honestly, is from Hair Intuition, and this is She Knows Curly Cream. I did a video on this a very, very long time ago. I did a wash and go with this, and it gives me definition, maybe not as much definition as using like Eco Style, but it gives me nice definition, and it actually did not really flake up my hair. So it's the only product that did not flake up my hair. I haven't used this in a while. And I have one more that I forgot about. So the last one is from Natural Club. This is the medium hold avocado curl custard. I will also leave the video where I used this in my hair, and y'all, if you watched it, you saw that I once again had really, really good results. However, I had a lot of flaking going on, so yeah. But this is a really, really great product. It just didn't really work for me. I don't really know. I do want to try this again though, maybe without the Natural Club leave-in, maybe with a different one that I'll show you guys. Because again, my results were really, really good. I just had too much flaking going on. Now, oh wait, the last one is the Eco Style. I've been using Eco Style forever. One of my most popular videos is me doing a wash and go with this Eco Style, so I will also link that up there. And this will also actually have to be a favorite of mine just because it's so cheap, and it actually just works, and it works for like most people. So it works for me, especially when I get my puff going. I know I love a good puff, so this really works to have like a really sleek puff. It also works on my edges to get my edges swooped. It kind of just works for whatever I need it to, when anything needs to be sleek. So this is definitely going to be a favorite. Now I'll get into my leave-in. So my favorite, once again, from the same brand, Rajeeyah Sweet Naturals. It's the Aloe Hibiscus Leave-In Conditioner. I use this every time I do my hair. I use this after the shower or after washing my hair every single time. Like, I never skip this product, which is why I have 5 of them in here. But this stuff is amazing. It's so soft. It's the best leave-in that I've ever had for my hair, because leave-ins are either too thick, so then it's like just kind of sitting on your hair and it doesn't really penetrate, or it's too loose, like it's a spray, more watery, and it's also just kind of sitting there. This really penetrates your hair, and it's very, very moisturizing. This is probably my favorite product, and there's 5 of them in here, so obviously I love this stuff. I can't talk about this stuff enough. I don't know what happened to it, but I also have my Natural Club leave-in. It's not a favorite. I do like it, but nothing really compares to this. So yeah, that's it for leave-ins. I don't have a reason to purchase any other leave-ins because I will literally ride with this forever. Next are my moisturizers, so my oils and things like that. So first one is from the same brand. This is the Citrus Bliss Moisturizer. I don't actually use this stuff that much because honestly I use this because I use this as a moisturizer. I use the leave-in as a moisturizer, so I don't actually use this that much. Next one is from Cantu. It's really messy, and this is the Tea Tree and Jojoba Hair and Scalp Oil. So again, it's just I just use it for my scalp. If I have braids, like right now underneath this wig I have braids, or if I have box braids, some crochet, whatever, I'll usually use this. Sometimes I just like it because it's kind of thick, This is also a favorite. So this is from Naturals and this is the Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. This is again an all natural product, so I'm going to choose this one over the last one I just showed you guys. And it also has the nozzle, so you can easily just get it directly on your scalp. Yeah, it's really great for just oiling your scalp, so that's definitely a favorite. Next one, which is also a favorite, is from Mielle Organics, and this is the Mint Almond Oil. The other one that I showed you guys, I just put on my scalp. This one is what I put directly on my hair. So when I'm doing like the lock method, the O in there is oil. This is usually what I use, but again, it's an all natural product, so again, a favorite. So the next one is from Sweethead Naturals. I've rubbed the name off of it, but I'll put it down below. I've shown this on my channel before, but it's just a really nice moisturizer. It's all natural, so again, of course, I love it. And it's kind of like a shea butter, but like a little bit more oily. So yeah, this is really great for things like doing braids underneath a wig or doing mini twists, things like that. Like braids and twists are kind of like long term. This is really great for, and trust me, when you take your braids down, I don't care if it's a week later, a month later, however later, your hair will still be moisturized. And then I have another product that's just like that, but it's from Rajeeyah Naturals or Sweet Naturals, and it's not in here, someone must have taken it, but it's a very similar product to that one. It's just a little bit thicker, so it more so has that consistency of the of like shea butter. I wouldn't put it as a favorite just because I'm usually gonna go for this one just because it's a little bit thinner. It's like easier to use, I guess. So I really do love the product, but this one would probably top that one, so I'll leave this one in my favorites. We're almost done. Next one. Okay, I can't read the anything. It's the Frosting Extreme Cream, but I can't read the brand. This is again similar to both of those last products I just said. It's very much like a shea butter, and this type of stuff you can put not just on your hair and your scalp, you can put it all over your body. So yeah, next, moving on, I have two natural club products. So the first one is the Pure Avocado Oil. So again, I showed this product in my Natural Club video. It's just a really nice oil. If I don't have my Mielle that has like a mixture of stuff, then I'll definitely go for this one. Avocado oil is very good for your hair. So yeah, it's all natural. I mean, it's literally just avocado oil, so nice product for sure. And then I have two of their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Growth Serums. So while I was having like my hiatus on YouTube where I was gone for like a year, they still sent me stuff, which was really nice of them, and this was something that they sent me. So this is just really good hair growth oil. I haven't really used it consistently to see if it works, but I do use this on my edges whenever I have braids, twists, whatever. So those are all of my favorites. I'm always on the hunt for products though, especially edge controls, because even though I do love those two that I mentioned, they're still not like a perfect 10 for me. I haven't found a perfect 10. So if you have stubborn edges like me and you have an edge control that really works well for you, please comment below because I definitely want to try it. And definitely make sure that you check out the website for where I got my necklace from because I love it so much. And also make sure that you use my discount code to receive 20% off. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you are notified every time that I post. That's it. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.